You got a silly outfit on, but I guess that's the only way we're gonna... What? What are you saying? Oh, really? You still away? Where you going? You shutting the door? I love you. Kaylin, I love you. Get out of there. That's dog food nasty. Where's Dad? Dad is on his way home. Daddy? Daddy? Are you going to shut... Whoa! Excuse you, miss. Get out of the dog food. No, no. It's naughty. Where you think you're going? You forgot? You're just going out? Oh. Really? Love you. Okay. Really? Where's your shoes at? You gotta find your shoes. Find your shoes. Your hair's a crazy mess.
I tried.
You tried? What did you try? Did you try to fix your hair? Miss Hot Mess? I just washed your face and it's all dirty. What? Shut the door. Love you. Bye. You're too fast. Yeah? Are you Daddy's girl? You can't get that side.